Did you know there's gold in all the electronics around you? Whether it's a thin coating on a connection or a microchip, it's there in tiny quantities. And if you've got old electronics, you can run an experiment and try to extract some gold, just like this. But first, you better find it all. And it's pretty easy to find. If it looks like it's that color, there's probably a little bit in there. So it's all taken and cleaned to remove any excess dirt and debris. And as much as possible, it's peeled away. You can see it peeling like a paper here. That a little easier than with some of the others where you can see it's impossible to separate it from the plastic without something special. Don't worry, that something special is an aqua regia solution, including hydrochloric acid. And what it does is break it down. It'll break down the plastics and other metals and minerals in there, and making the gold soluble. So, with all those difficult pieces piled up, it's time to put that mixture together. The aqua regia ready, and in it goes to be mixed up, and just watch what happens. That plastic breaks down, some nasty fumes come out, so work in a well-ventilated area and wear a mask. You're trying this one out. And it's then filtered. Those chips now looking stripped. And what's filtered out is sediment. What drips through can be dried out and turned into gold. A little ammonia needs to be added, a particular mixture that causes a chemical reaction that separates the actual gold and creates a thin layer of sediment that can be dried out and turned to dust later on. A little at a time added until the reaction starts. A little stirring until it's all dissolved, and just check the bubbling out now. And you can see it fizzing. Watch what happens. As a clear separation suddenly becomes clear. That gold sitting down at the bottom, the container rinsed out a few times to ensure none of it's been missed. And there's the good stuff down at the bottom of that beaker. Now carefully tapped out after being dried out. In this crucible, it can be heated up, and with a little borax, it should form into a solid gold piece. And once that's done, you can take it over the scale, find out how much it weighs, and figure out if it's worth it to be digging through your electronics and going through this process. For some, it definitely is.